Chapter 2. The Factory in the Heart of the Land. In the center of the land of the elves, where fragrant meadows met whispering forests and clear rivers, stood a building never seen before. It was the heart of the realm, the place where dreams intertwined with reality, and sweetness took shape under the hard-working hands of the elves. This was the famous Sugar Brick Factory, an architectural jewel and a sanctuary of magic. From a distance, the building looked like a castle straight out of a fairy tale, but instead of stone and wood, the walls were built of translucent blocks of crystallized sugar. The bricks sparkled in the sunlight, spreading colorful reflections like the stained glass windows of a cathedral. In the morning, the walls lit up in shades of pale pink and golden yellow, and in the evening, the sunset light dressed them in bright red and velvety purple. It was as if the factory breathed with the light. The windows had delicate frames, carved from solidified caramel, with spiral patterns and shimmering arabesques. From them, you could sometimes see the interior lights, like fireflies dancing behind the transparent glass. The roof was a real spectacle, shiny chocolate tiles, carefully placed side by side, and fine streams of honey flowed along the edges, like sweet gargoyles dripping down the walls. The towers, tall and graceful, were covered with white glaze, like the peaks of whipped cream, and crowned with flags made of spun sugar ribbons that fluttered merrily in the breeze. But the beauty of the building did not stop on the outside. The entrance gate, made of carved cinnamon wood, was huge, but light to the touch. When it opened, it let in an avalanche of perfumes. The smell of vanilla, honey, citrus fruits, and chocolate intertwined in a dizzying mix. Anyone who stepped inside felt their heart skip a beat, as if they had entered a sacred but friendly place, where magic came to life. The interior was even more amazing than the exterior. The floor was made of colored sugar mosaics, which formed intricate designs. Butterflies, stars, flowers, and spirals. In the ceiling, sugar crystal chandeliers emanated a warm and gentle light, and the walls were decorated with sweet stained glass windows, made of transparent candies, through which sunlight entered like enchanted windows. And the center of the main hall was the heart of the factory, a huge ensemble of magical machines. They were not cold and noisy like those in the human world, but alive, playful, and elegant. The elves called them singing machines, because each mechanism made harmonious sounds: bells, trills, whispers,